Alright, it's time to reveal the fourth engine in the lot that I will fix. I've actually been starting to enjoy fixing up these old engines. They're very interesting and very well built. But let's let our newer engine, one of our more reliable engines here, show us our next project engine. Next up will be the 060. Now, if I remember correctly, as with most of these, this one did not work. I don't think it gave any signs, but that was also with the old controller. Let's see if there's any reaction with this newer one. Nope, no signs at all. Now let's see if we can bring this one back to life. Alright. Let's start with the usual teardown. Now let's see what the gears look like here. Very gunky. They'll need a good cleaning. Well, all the teeth appear to be all right there. Let's just go ahead and pop these out so we can give the chassis and axles a good cleaning later. At least I don't have to worry about messing up quartering or anything of these, since there's only one main drive gear. It's the exact same motor setup as the 040 that I just worked on. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's a bit of a squeak. Oh, let me go get a Q-tip and clean them up a little. Alright. Now that I've given it a bit of a good cleaning, let's go ahead and reassemble and see what we need to fix still. Alright, and before we put the motor in, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in here to help these guys move a little more. Oh, I see what's going on. It's going in the gear drive hole and not the screw hole. Alright, and I'm putting a little more grease on these than usual just because they're metal gears and I don't want them to get chewed up. Alright, now before I put the top on, let's take it over to the track and see if we need to do anything else to it or if the top can go on. Alright, like I said, I'm going to test it before putting on the shell just so we can see if it needs any other stuff done to it. If it wants to do it. Off. Okay. No, as you saw, it did smoke a little. Guess we have to work a little more at it. Okay, so I went and messed with the brushes just a smidge. I noticed that they were pushing against the whatever they have here to help try and keep the electricity from flowing through and arcing. Let's see if that worked. Sounds like an angry chipmunk. There we go. That's what it was. Alright. I've got to put a little oil in the bottom bearing. Let's put the shell on and see her run. Alright. Now we put the shell on. Let's see if it still run the same. Oh, yes. He sounds a lot quieter when he goes in forward motion. But I'd say that's another successful repair job. Let's see if we can keep at it and get a lot more of the other ones working. Till next time, I'll see you on down the line.